Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today's video has been highly requested for some time now. Some of you have been wondering how I stock my fridge and what's in it. This video was recorded after grocery shopping and I clearly didn't sort it out before, so I'm going to be doing my usual kitchen cleaning routine, then showing you guys how I clean and organize my fridge. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to give it a like, and if you are new here, hello and welcome. My channel is one-stop cleaning motivation, so go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any more of my future videos. I'm starting off by offloading my dishwasher, then you'll see me quickly organizing my cabinets or drawers just where it's needed. Loading my dishwasher back up now, I still have a few pots and pans to hand wash from dinner, and after cleaning out the fridge, I'll have more dishes to wash. Washing dishes used to be a punishment for me, or just cleaning in general. Let me know in the comments if cleaning was a punishment for you. I hated washing dishes. I always liked to be clean and organized until about high school. After moving out of my parents' home, I loved cleaning and organizing again. I had my first child at 19. This was when I was severely OCD with cleaning, but I still loved it. For those of you that don't like cleaning at all besides watching cleaning videos, what do you guys do to stay motivated? Okay, so let me know what you girls think of this Mrs. Meyers pumpkin scent. It's too sweet in my opinion. I have been using it. It doesn't bother me as much as the lilac scent. I find that one to be quite nauseating. Apple cider is my favorite for this season. I'm excited for Mum and Iowa Pine. Oh, you guys, the holidays are almost here. I just don't even know where the year went. I keep getting asked if I'm OCD. Not when it comes to cleaning anymore. I've been let that neat freak side of me go. It comes out here and there, but girl, I do not clean like this every day. Those are weekly cleaning routines, typically on the weekend. If you are a working mom or just a busy mom like me, use your days off to clean. I know you want to relax, but trust me, do your organizing and decluttering one day, and then the next day you can do your deep cleaning. I use this method and it helps me maintain during the week. Obviously, I fall off of my little daily routines, but that doesn't bother me. If my dishes are done and the laundry isn't super backed up, I'm not stressing it as much. I keep the living areas tidy, but I may have 2 baskets of laundry stashed in my closet that I'm avoiding. And trust me, as you get the hang of maintaining, you will have less and less to do on your days off or whenever it is that you decide to do your deep cleaning. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see an updated morning cleaning routine or like a daily cleaning, weekly, monthly, and I can definitely do those videos for you guys.
Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Feel the love running through like electricity. Like electricity.
So I have started decorating for fall and I can't wait to show you guys the changes that I've made to my apartment. I feel like my decor is minimal. I'm not a huge fan of fall colors to begin with. I like my teals and shiny metals, but I know every YouTube mom does it, so I have to jump on the bandwagon. I did find some teal and seafoam colors to blend in. These beautiful sunflowers, I found them at Trader Joe's. Yes, I went to Trader Joe's for the first time and I shared that on my Instagram story. I think it's going to be the only time for a while because it's a really long drive, but it was definitely worth it.
Can you feel it between us? This energy's inside us. just like
So I often get asked what type of music I listen to while cleaning and how I say so upbeat. For the most part, it's electric dance music, which is what I use in my videos. And I'm so excited to share with you all that I'm going to be working with one of my favorite artists on a new channel. I cannot stress how happy and honored I am to even be considered. Elektronation and I will be working on a friendly basis. This is not sponsored. We're both just simply helping each other. We're both supportive and the positivity is just endless. A lot of you Instagram girls are already subscribed and loving the music, and so am I. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. It'll be the first one. If you guys support me, I'm kindly asking you to support him in his journey that I'm also a part of, and we'll be using many of his songs to help promote. This really means a lot to me, so thank you in advance.
ooh, can you feel me? Ooh, can you feel me?
My pipe cleaners, bottle brush, and sponge holders into the dishwasher. I get so many questions about these little two rose gold ones, and they are from Home Goods. And I'm finally emptying my fridge so I can clean it using my vinegar mix and a cloth. I take the shelves out sometimes completely, but this time I didn't because it was getting late and I'm filming. When I film cleaning videos, it takes me longer than it would if I was not filming because I don't have to keep stopping to adjust my camera or lighting. This little basket shelf I found at Home Goods. I usually use a metal one in here, but it was missing, so I'm just using this as an example. I use these throughout my apartment and decided to open up some space in my fridge with this as I'm demonstrating. It gives you just a little bit more, which is important for me because I have a small fridge. Lastly, I'm using my little Bissell 3-in-1 vac to get up any crumbs. To mop, I'm using my Rubbermaid Quick Mop. I just filled it with hot water and I'm still using my Method Squirt Mop that I love. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.